Hello everyone, my name is Will Brooks, and my mission is to make coding fun and easy to learn. In today's video, I will give you my third update on my typing challenge. I have been typing an hour a day now for 11 days, and I've decided to evaluate my progress. The website I have been using is called typing.com. A great thing about the typing.com website is that it keeps track of all your stats. You can keep track of your progress and see how you improve. Before we get into the website though, and to look at the stats, I want to stress one very important thing. Accuracy is the key. If you can type quickly but have many errors, then it will take you a lot of time to correct those errors. So I make sure to keep my accuracy rate at a minimum of 95%, and typing.com keeps track of that. If it drops lower than 95%, then I would slow down my typing speed in order to increase my accuracy. Now, let's go into the website typing.com so I can show you the stats that it keeps track of. Let's go! Okay, so I am in typing.com right now, and you can follow I have a blue cursor here, right here, blue circular cursor, beginner, intermediate, advanced. It has all these different lessons, tech ready, career prep, coding essentials. We're going to get to coding essentials very soon, but first, if we look at the beginner, that's where I started at the beginner 11 days ago, and it keeps track of your stats. So if we look here at the right, JF and space, this is considered like a 1 unit block, and then there's bunch of lessons inside here. So total in this block here are 11 lessons, and then if you go to UR and K keys, so just test the UR and K keys because it's just starting you out on basics of typing. There are 14 keys in here, or 14 lessons in here. So let's go to intermediate. And intermediate's typing more phrases and paragraphs and sentences, things like that, rather than just one letter. And if you look here, the stats, this is the average. If you look at common English words, that's the average speed. That's the average of all the lessons inside this unit. So there are 19 lessons. My average speed was 30 words per minute. My average accuracy rate was 96%. And the total time of the lesson was about almost 6 minutes. So if you can see this, if I click highlight over here, so that's the first lesson. That was 56 words per minute, 100% accuracy rate. The second one was 33 words per minute, 96% accuracy rate. So you can see what each lesson stat is, which is really neat. So if we go all the way down to the bottom here, kind of to the bottom, you can see where it says shift key and capitalization and basic punctuation. Okay, so then we get a little bit lower. It's 11 words per minute with a 91% accuracy overall, but some were higher and some were lower if we go into here and look at the different lessons in the unit. Okay, and if we go all the way down, then basically you have your 2-minute test down here for this intermediate lesson, and I did pretty well at 29 words per minute right now at 98% accuracy rate. So the second to last thing I want to do is if you look in the advanced lessons, it's the same thing, it's just more advanced, more paragraphs, but I'm not doing so badly until we get to numbers and letters, which is 18 words per minute, the average of this, and there are in this unit 16 lessons, and advanced symbols at 14 words per minute, and numeric pad. I don't have a numeric pad on my keyboard, so I just use the numbers at the top, and we know when we code we have to use a lot of numbers, so that's 11 words per minute, so that's not good at all. So in any case, what I realized was that if I go to the coding essentials, now this coding essentials is for typing, practicing typing using code. So it's much more difficult because you're using symbols and using greater than, less than sign, using numbers, using forward slashes, all that good stuff. So if we look in here, the average of this HTML unit, which is a total of 9 lessons, was only 13 words per minute with a 93% accuracy rate. So I really want to increase this, and I decided that over the next 7 days, I'm going to focus only on these 3 units right here and do the lessons in these 3 units so that when I code, I can code faster. I can type faster when I code. Okay, so now I want to go into the first lesson here to show you what it looks like and show you that it's actually you're practicing typing for coding. So I'm going to click on here, and then it's kind of funny because it explains about HTML. I'm in the HTML unit, so I'm not going to read that now, but I read that before. You can read that if you're in here. Okay, and this is the hands down here are not my fingers. They're not my hands, but if you don't know what the next key is, you can look and follow the hands there instead of looking at your keyboard. So right at the top here, I'm going to start typing. It doesn't look that difficult, but it is, because you got to slide the right hand down to get the the greater than and less than sign, and here I go. I already made a mistake. There. Okay. I made a mistake there. Let's slide this down. Oh no. Many mistakes. Okay. Wow. I didn't do well at all on that. Probably worse than before. So 15 words per minute with an 87% accuracy rate. Oh my gosh. Okay, I came out of that lesson now. I typed 15 words per minute. It was an 89% accuracy rate, which is awful. The first time I typed that lesson, I was at 12 words per minute. So I did increase the words per minute by 3, but my accuracy rate decreased because the first time I was at 93%. Now I'm at 89%. So I do need to work on my accuracy rate. I need to slow down. It didn't look that difficult, but for me, you know, that less than, greater than sign, you have to hit the shift key, go down, hit those, and then the exclamation point. And so I need to work on that. That's why I'm going to focus on these 3 units over the next 7 days, and I'll let you know in an update how that goes. And that's it. I highly recommend typing.com for anybody. Even if you just want to type regularly, it's fantastic. But for coding, it's really good. I definitely recommend it. That's it for the video today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe as well. And if you do this challenge for typing.com, please leave comments in below. Let me know how your typing speed and accuracy is going. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.